welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Aishwarya and as the title suggests, yes, I'm going to recreate my mom's pictures. Now, this is the video that I wanted to create for a long time, but I couldn't really do that because circumstances, I was there in Pune and I did not have the exact same outfits or the similar outfits to recreate them. So now that I thought let's make it and let's do this finally. So I'm very happy and excited to show you guys what I have done and how I have recreated my mom's pictures. And yes, so I think this is it. I'm pretty much excited, as you guys can see. So I think we should just hop into the video. So the first picture I want to show you guys is this. Now this is a real candid. Whatever she's doing is a real candid. Okay, now I wanted to recreate this picture, so I asked my mom to give me the exact same gown which she's wearing. Actually she has this gown still, so I was like, give me this gown, and she was like, go find it somewhere in the cupboard. And I went, opened her wardrobe, and I was like literally digging because she has so many clothes and I have to just dig out and get that gown out. And the fun fact about it is like I am like S, okay, as you guys can see I am a small baby, okay, and she is XL, so clothes did not really fit me. So what we did, like we pinned all the outfits whichever I was wearing, but it was really very hard because एक तो वो इधर से बैगी हो रहा था, नहीं तो वो नीचे से बैगी हो रहा था, तो आधा टाइम हम लोग का फिटिंग्स में ही चला गया था. So I think this is it. I will just show you guys the recreation of it, like boom, and this is how I recreated it. I mean, can you just guys see, like I think I am a complete replica of her, and God was like, you know what, just I'll make you like your mom. And I was like, bus, this is what I wanted from my God. Like I don't want to achieve any other thing in life because this is the God gift that I've got. Like my mom is so beautiful and I wanted to look like her, like since I was a kid. And I was like, God, please, if I grow up, like make me look like my mom, please, she's so beautiful, I want to be like her. And
here I am. I mean, I know, like...
Okay, so that's it. So this is how the picture that I have created, and for this, like she's beautiful, okay, I am just copying her, and this is her real candid, and I am giving a fake candid because I come from this generation who is like, fake things, fake candid, fake people.
You know what I mean?
Okay, so moving on to the next picture. Now this picture is like I'll pop it somewhere here. Now in this picture she is wearing a cream suit, and it is like a beautiful suit which she is wearing, and this, she's posing like this, and this was the pose which I told her to give because let me tell you guys, like if you guys are wondering why am I not recreating my mom's older pictures, then it is because mama did not know how to pose. Like I wanted to do that also, but I just thought this pictures would be much more fun to do because right now how she looks is like it's a drastic change, okay. So like अभी वो जैसे दिखती है उनके जैसा मुझे सेम दिखना था, तो अभी वो पहले जैसे दिखती थी उसमें she is just posing like, but I will do that video for you guys, but just मुझे बस 500 सब्सक्राइबर्स दे दो, बस मैं आपके लिए कर दूंगी वो वीडियो. ओके फाइन. तो so like this is how she looks, and I asked her to pose like that, and mostly इसमें वो candid के सिवा बाकी सब poses I have just suggested her, like, and now that it comes very naturally to her, she's a pro, okay. So now what I'm telling you that this is the picture, and इसका मैंने बनाया है recreation, and I'll pop it somewhere here. So if you guys can see, like मेरे बाल थोड़े बड़े हैं इसमें, and the suit that she's wearing, मैंने वो exact suit पहना है, and I just try to pose like her. I think I did a pretty good job in this, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने मेरा बाल थोड़ा ऊपर पिन कर देना चाहिए था so that वो look आ सके बालों का, but वो मेरे दिमाग में आया ही नहीं तभी. So that's it. This is the recreation that you guys just saw. I think I'm pretty much happy with this recreation because I love it. To be honest, I really love it, and I I don't know, while I'm making this video, it just makes me so happy, and also while recreating this, it brought a smile on my mother's face too. She's like, so this was like the second picture. Now moving on to the third picture. This is a Diwali picture. Like, she is a very simple woman, okay? She likes to be simple. She does like minimalistic things and she looks fabulous, okay? So this is like a picture. She's wearing a very navy, like very simple navy blue color sari, and in that, like, it's a she's just looking adorable, and she's very simple, like posing like this. So we had the exact same sari, and asked my mama to give me that. Like, I borrowed her from her to just, you know, drape it. I had draped it. By the way, this sari, while we were shooting, I draped it myself, okay? So a pat of appreciation for me. I mean, just, it's draping sari is a difficult task. So this is what the picture looks like, and here I'll post the recreation. So this is how the recreation looks, and if you guys can see, I have the exact same sari on. Abhi उन्होंने गले में जो पहना है, that is मंगलसूत्र, and I couldn't really wear that. That's why I am wearing a haar, and I really hide it in the sari plaits as the pictures, and I'm just posing here, and I think I did pretty good in this too. Just because I have got like similar outfits like her, I think the recreation is like, you know, more better. So this is the picture that I really love of her, and this is how the recreation looks, and I am really very happy about this too, because
Draping a sari is something very difficult. I'm sorry, but yes, it is. I don't know. It's like if you guys can drape a sari, oh my god, you are pro, and I am a damascule. I don't know, but I can't drape saris.
This is what I did. Now moving on to the fourth picture. Now this is my absolute favorite. इसीलिए इसको मैंने last में रखा था. Now this picture is my mummy बहुत ज़्यादा सभ्य and you know गुस्सा लग रही है थोड़ी सी. I don't know. She's like.
So like, you know, whenever relative comes and asks you like, "Oh, बताओ बेटा," you're like, she's like this in this picture, and I really wanted to recreate this because why not?
So मम्मी had the same suit, so मुझे वो वापस मम्मी के पास ये सेम सूट था, तो मैंने वही पहना. वापस वो बैगी था, वापस उसको हम लोग ने पिन किया और वो सब झंझट, and then we clicked the picture, and which was this. Now this picture is like, oh, this is my absolute favorite. I don't know, the innocence from my mom's face, and मेरे face में तो कोई innocence है ही नहीं इसमें, but still तो ये सेम मुझे ये इसके लिए अच्छा लगा था बिकॉज हम दोनों का जो आउटफिट है वो बहुत सेम है, एंड द पोस्ट स्टाइल इज ऑल्सो लाइक नाइस. आई लव्ड इट. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइज कैन सी, बट मैंने मेरा जो बाल है, आई जस्ट पिन्ड इट लाइक दिस अप हियर, सो वो थोड़ा सा सेम लगे. सो आई डिड दैट, एंड ये वीडियो शूट करते वक्त मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा था. ओ माई गॉड, आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू यू नो रिक्रिएट माई मॉम्स पिक्चर सिंस लाइक ages, but tabhi I did not had any platform to, you know, display it on, and now I have YouTube, so I am doing it for you guys and myself as well.
I love shooting this video, and I think this was my favorite video so far.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I am on YouTube. Until next time, bye.